Hello everyone and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about HubSpot sub-account from our Workflow app. This is a tool that's going to help you automate actions directly from your Workflow app for your HubSpot account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub-account, come here at the app marketplace. When search for the app, HubSpot sub-account install, allow, and there is a token required. Of course, we have a small queue here that's going to help you how to get that token. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our HubSpot account to go and get it. So we're inside our HubSpot account. Let's come here, the setting wheel, integrations, private app, create a private app. So name, you can say, for example, my app. We can upload the square logo here, description. Let's app this app, and we go at scopes, add a new scope. You check some boxes, calculate the thing, you check automation, communication preference, you check what your accounts allow to. Conversation, you have conversation red, conversation zero, market settings, others. You check what you allow to, content, commerce, insurance, check. Will be allowed to update. We're going to create app, continue creating, and then we have the copy. They show the copy. All right. You copy, you switch back, we paste here, burn, and we are on install. This means that the tool is already connected to a HubSpot account. Right now, we're able to execute actions directly from our Workflow ads for our HubSpot account. Guys, this is very messy. So if you ever had any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video.